Brian here with the West Automotive Group. Hey, today we're talking about tires on your vehicle and when you should or should not maybe replace them. Now, something that we always talk about with folks is, how do you tell if a tire needs to be replaced? Well, you often see there's wear bars on a tire that you can actually see, and as you can see, this tire here, the tread is flat gone. But another trick is to actually measure the depth of the tire. You can do that with a penny, and you actually put it in upside down and put Honest Abe's head in there. If the tread is past the top of his head, then you're over 2/32. But in the industry, we typically recommend about 4/32 because of safety to start replacing tires. When you have no tread on a tire, the stopping distance of your car becomes longer. There's more issues in handling and things like that. So safe tires are very important. Also good to look at a tire such as this one here. Damage is caused often by being out of alignment and worn suspension components. Replacing shocks and struts or failed control arms or ball joints is super important when need be. So make sure and measure your tires and replace them when they need be. Have all the suspension components looked at properly, and let's get a good alignment on the vehicle once the new tires are installed. And by doing so, that'll keep you safely on the road and in good order.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.